Those are spider mites. They really suck in more than one way. They actually suck the plant dry of its juices if they take overhand and thus kill the plant. Because I have plants like chilies I still want to eat, I decided to go for some biological warfare. And those are my soldiers. They are predator mites, also called killer mites, and they eat the spider mites. There's one on a leaf. That is probably a larval stage, as it is still kinda see-through. And the adults seem to be much more red. And it seems to be feeding on something, or cleaning itself, I'm not sure. It's quite interesting species of the spider genus. This, on the other hand, seems to be an adult. I suppose the black dots here are poo from the spider mites, but I'm not 100% sure. I suppose they are. Just look at those beautiful legs and stuff. That's a really cool animal, I think. I really love those. They're gonna save my plants as well if all goes well, so that's kinda cool. I'm not really sure what it's doing though. You can see it's moving its legs and stuff. Probably some cleaning procedure, I'm not sure. That guy is just crawling about, and this gives you a good idea of the legs. Look at how long those are. I wonder if they can jump like fleas. Did you see that? They can be really fast. In slow motion again. Holy crap. You can really see them walk, even with the naked eye. It's amazing. There's another adult walking around. Finding some more spider mite poo, I suppose. And walking around the edge of the leaf, which looks kinda amazing. And now, this is an actual spider mite. On the right there, you can see they are white and have black dots. That's a typical spider mite sitting in some sort of nest. You can see with the eggs, those shiny things here. There's another adult walking around. There was another one quickly walking by. I don't know, I'm really fascinated by those creatures, I don't know. It really tickles so bad when they are on your hand, because they like touch all the tiny hairs on your hands, and it really tickles horribly. So I do not want them as pets to pet, but they're really cool. Here are some of them in a plastic bag. You can actually see the mouth of the one on the top there. And there's another one on the bottom, doing something on the leaf. Whatever they're doing right now. Seems to be cleaning, I suppose. Kinda amazing how those small little thingies, like an almost invisible central nervous system, can have such well differentiated behavior. I really love it. Here are some more. You can see the spider mites' webs. And just all over. It was really about time I did something about that pest, so that was a really awesome experiment. Although quite expensive, but I think those images are worth it. Here you can see the other one. The one on the right is rather big and fat, and the other one is flat and small. So either the one on the right is a female and the one on the left is a male, or the one on the right has just eaten a lot and the one on the left is almost starving. I don't know. The one on the right here is a larva. That's for sure, because it's like see-through. That's a typical larval stage. And the one on the left is an adult, probably male adult if we go by the assumption I made. Here's one in the foil of the leg, so you can see it really well. It looks amazing. I cannot say that enough, I suppose. I just really love those tiny creatures. And that one is just sitting there sucking an egg. You can see one on the right foot as well. That is probably a spider mite egg. Another one walking by, feeding. Yeah, that seems to be a good place to feed. Look at all that spider mite poo. And there's a lot of those lovely killer mites. The mites of prey. Don't eat each other, please. Here you can see, it seems like an adult is attacking their own offspring. Well, the thing is, they're specialized on spider mites, but if there's a lack of prey, they will become cannibals and eat each other. But luckily, this one decides that that's probably not the right time to eat their own offspring, but rather focuses on whatever's there, probably an egg or something. Man, there are a lot of them. That's just so cool. So now I gave home to about 1,000 of those little cute killer mites. Oh, we found an egg. But yeah, don't you love those little things?